I would say we're a collaborative team. We have a lot of team-based project work that a lot of our leadership team leads and takes part in, so that's really nice. We have such a highly motivated team. I think we're all on the same page in terms of what our priorities are. We really care about patient-centered care. We care about delivering on the patient experience and delivering on the experience for our employees and for our providers. And so our team works really, really well together because I think we're just so dedicated to the mission.
Culture-wise, I would say we are very big on growth. I think growth is one of the biggest pieces for the medical group. We're also really big on teamwork and collaboration. So we do a lot of work groups. We're very big on meeting with our teams internally and externally as a whole. You can go to anyone to ask questions and someone's always willing to help you.
They're very big and very supportive in going back to school and provide you resources to do so. And I think that's so important because you can start off here as a medical assistant and advance to nursing or radiology or even being a doctor. Sometimes you can go to be a coordinator. So I enjoy the fact that no matter what, they have those resources that are here to support.
We have MAs who are actually promoted to clinical supervisors. We have them also promoted to management. Even if they're an MA, they're pushed to become nurses, and then they're registered and certified. So they go into management positions.
They always hire within. They're always sending us emails on the latest and greatest classes, and they also provide them for free. It's very encouraging. Mount Sinai encourages people to, move on.
In terms of opportunities for growth and development, I like to use myself as an example. I started with Mount Sinai 6 years ago with the medical group, and I've been there ever since. When I first started, I was a practice manager at one of our smaller sites. It was about 10 exam rooms, 2 providers. After about a year and a half, I transitioned to manage a larger site, doubled in exam room size, and then in terms of providers, it was about 10 providers and over 20 employees. And from there, I was promoted into my current role. So definitely a place where you have lots of opportunity to grow. I think what's exciting is our group is constantly expanding and growing, and with that comes more opportunities for our team. We like to promote internally when we can. We're very intentional about who we place in certain roles. I think everyone has a different skill set to bring to the table, and we work with a really dynamic team. So lots of opportunities for growth and improvement.
We are a very fast-paced growing group, and I think when it comes to someone who's eager and looking for opportunities, this is a really great place for you to be, simply because not only growing, you're learning a lot. And if you're a person who has the energy, who has the drive, and who just is looking for a space to learn, I believe that the medical group is a great place to be. And then just the emphasis on patient-centeredness and patient care. We're constantly looking for ways to streamline our operations and make things smoother and cleaner for our patients. To me, that's all what healthcare is about, right? Providing great, efficient, and safe delivery to patients, and then on the back end, learning as an individual and how you can better improve the healthcare systems as a whole.
If you're someone who enjoys helping other people, is very big on being a part of a team, someone who really is looking to expand their career, looking for an opportunity for growth and a place to start, why not look to Mount Sinai?
There are so many different hospitals, and each one is different, but in my experience with Mount Sinai, a lot of people that leave Mount Sinai wind up coming right back to Mount Sinai. So that has to say a lot. That says volumes.
When I started, we were a fraction of the size we are now. We started with a handful of practices. We now have over 15 off-site locations. Every year we're growing, we're opening new sites over the next 2 years. And so, as I mentioned before, with growth comes more opportunities for our existing team, and it's an opportunity to add talent to our existing team, external talent as well. It's a really great group. We have highly motivated leaders. I like to say I learn as much from them as they learn from me. We're constantly pushing each other to be better and to learn and grow. I'm someone who likes a challenge. I like to continue to learn and grow throughout my career. That's very important to me, and that's what I've been able to do here and what I'd like to continue to do.